The question is, over the past year, output grew by 3%, capital grew by 4%, and labor grew by 3%. If the elasticity of output with respect to capital and labor are 0.3 and 0.7 respectively, how much did productivity give? Options are given. We need to find out the correct option. Okay, so we need to find out the percentage change in the productivity here. Now, using the growth accounting equation, if we have Cobb-Douglas production function, we know that output will be equal to A, which denotes the productivity or total factor productivity, times L to the power alpha. L denotes the units of labor employed, alpha denotes the output elasticity of labor, times K to the power beta. Beta denotes the output elasticity with respect to capital. So L and K are the inputs here, employed. A denotes the solo residual here, that is the change in the output that is not explained by labor and capital, the change in the growth rather in this case. Having said that, now what we are being given, we are being told that growth rate of output, so let us denote it by G. Growth rate of output is being given by is 3%. Capital, growth rate of capital, let us denote it by GK. It is being given as is 4%. Growth rate of labor is being given as is 3%. And output elasticity of capital is 0.3. So beta is 0.3. And output elasticity of labor, which is alpha here, which is being given as is 0.7. Okay, we need to find out the growth rate of productivity. Okay, so using the growth accounting equation, I will not derive it, I have derived it in n number of times, so I will just write how to find out. That is, the growth rate of output in this equation will be equal to growth rate of productivity plus alpha times growth rate of labor plus beta times growth rate of capital. That is, growth rate of output is equal to growth rate of total factor productivity plus output elasticity of labor times growth rate of labor plus output elasticity of capital times growth rate of capital. Okay, so growth rate of output is being given as 3%, will be equal to growth rate of productivity we are supposed to find out, plus alpha is being given as here 0.7, so here 0.7. Growth rate of labor is 3%, plus beta is being given as, that is output elasticity of capital, which is 0.3, and growth rate of capital is being given as 4%. Solving further, so we have 3% is equal to growth rate of productivity plus 7 into 3 is 21, so it will become 0.021% plus 3 4s are 12, it will become 0.012%, rather not in percentage form. Solving further it, I hope I have done it correctly. So we have 3% is equal to growth rate of total factor productivity plus it will become 0.33. Okay, so if I convert it into the percentage form, we have 3% is equal to GA plus 3.3%, or growth rate of factor productivity, total factor productivity will be equal to 3% minus, if I transpose it gets subtracted, minus 3.3%. That means growth rate of productivity will be equal to negative 0.3% in this question. I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.